Hello, in front of me I've got Sony earbuds. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Here we've got the left earbud and here we've got the right earbud. Firstly, connect it to your device and now on the left earbud. Tap once to switch the noise cancelling function and ambient sound mode. Tap twice to enter quick access. This function requires settings with the Sony Headphones Connect app. Tap 3 times to select quick access from the Sony Headphones app. Tap 4 times to decrease volume and tap and hold to activate quick attention mode. On the right earbud, tap once to play or pause music. Tap twice to skip to the beginning of the next track. Tap 3 times to skip to the beginning of the previous track. Tap 4 times to increase volume and tap and hold to use Siri or Google Assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.